Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to do an unboxing. I have been so blessed over the past few days with awesome happy mail, and this is the jewel box from Isis Ella Jewels. So the theme of this edition of the jewel box is love language. And if you want to know more about the meaning of that, check out the Jewel Box Facebook group. I will leave the information in the description box below. And if you would like to shop at the Jewel Box, I'll leave my code in the description box below also. Now let's get into it. Okay, let's see what we got. Beautiful box as always. It's your time to shine. Be gentle with yourself on your self-love journey. I don't know why I always try to do that. It's pretty hopeless to try to save the label and the paper. Okay, so let's take this out and see what we have. Okay, so let's look at the washi first. So I already know that this box has natural fall type colors and the autumn feel, and that's what this is about. So here we go. So the washi is of course a fall color, autumn color, and it is hearts. Okay, very nice. I'm already thinking, how can I use this in a spread and with what? And I have an idea. Okay, and then we have the patterned paper. This is a tuft with diamonds. See that? And then we have the hearts. So there's 2 sheets of that. Then we have the gradient, or what do you call it? Watercolor wash gradient. And then more hearts. 2 sheets of that. Then we have the chevron pattern. Isn't this chevron or zigzag pattern? And it's 2 sheets. And then on the other side we have the circles. And all of these are natural colors. You can use these for your dashboards for the fall as your backgrounds and add things to them. For instance, these cards. Dear Queen, love your entire self through the good and bad times. You are worthy of love and forgiveness. Get to know yourself so you do not have to seek outside approval from others. Remember to live for today and not for tomorrow. Okay. So there's that. Then, ooh, look at this. This is really pretty. Be focused, be disciplined, be consistent, Chanel. So, for instance, if you wanted to make yourself some dashboards for your planner, you could use one of these. And then, like, say if you're using an A5, you could place that on there. Let's see. Just an idea. Okay, anyway, moving. Oh, and look at that. I love the cards from the jewel box, the journaling cards. They are always so cute. Very nice. And then I think this is a sticky notepad. Yep. And this blends in with the natural color scheme. 10 affirmations of a spiritual queen. And it says, you create your life with your thoughts. Let the past transgressions go. You owe it to yourself to speak your truth. Believe patterns, not apologies. I had a problem with that years ago. Anyway, give yourself time to heal. Only you are in charge of your journey. Never compete or compare yourself to others. Practice what you preach. Never dim your light for anybody. Be present. It will bless your future. So there's that. And then here we are with the stickers. Ooh, I just took a peek. And these are the stickers, and again, same color scheme. All of it ties in together. Nice. Love the bags. Are these separate? Yes, these are separate word stickers. You create your life with your thoughts. Like that. Ooh, I like this one too. Oh. Humble yourself, queen. And then this is like a mini kit. Humble yourself, queen. Oh, my queenish. It's got some headers, bill due, tracker, and a full box with checklists. Then we have these squares, and this is what they look like. Then we have joy, love, peace. And then we have the one with the little queen on the back of her jacket. And then we have this one with the different words on her t-shirt. So, oh my queenish, joy, love, peace, power, queenin, and joy, love, peace. So that's it. Okay, so that is the box. This is getting us ready for fall, getting us started with the fall season. And you can shop at the Jewel Box with my code Rachelle15, and I will leave all the information in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.